I'm back on another video. So I bought another polygel set. So I'm going to be doing a bling polygel set with dual forms. I got this set from Amazon. It's called vrenmol. And I'm going to be doing my polygel set. Like I always say, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to get right into this polygel set. The first thing I always do when I'm going to do a set on my nails, I clean my cuticle and also push my cuticles back to get them clean and prepped for the set. Next, I'm going to actually match my sidewall to my sidewall with the dual forms because we're going to be using these to put on the polygel. So they're all numbered. So once I get the exact number for each finger, I just pop them to the side. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just placing them on the side to use for later. I'm going to use my base gel and base my nails, and then once I base my nails, I'm going to be curing it for 60 seconds. My diamond polygel. I love this. Is clear with the diamonds in it, giving me bling. So now we're gonna add the polygel to the dough form. I'm using alcohol to actually slip resistant to layer the polygel. So that's all I'm gonna do here. And then I actually place, once I laid it, place it on my nail, clean the back, and then swipe it, and then we're gonna push it down to get it perfect. And then I'm gonna actually cure it. This is a 90 seconds cure machine, so we're gonna cure 60 seconds for the front of the nail, and then we're gonna do 30 seconds for the back of the nail. going to cut our nails down to the desired length that we want. After we cut them down, we are going to file to the desired style that we want. So it's going to be a lot of filing and cutting. Once I file, I'm going to be adding a top coat to the finished product, and then I'm going to cure my top coat for 90 seconds. Now my last step, I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil and put it around my cuticle just to give it some shine and a finishing look. And there you have it with the POLYGEL diamond nails. I hope you guys liked this. I hope you loved it. If you have any questions, please leave it below. This is the finishing look. I love these, and I'm going to be wearing these for my New Year fits. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.